Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a turkey 3-bean chili with a chipotle sour cream garnish. Let's get started. We're back this week with another easy, delicious weeknight recipe. This recipe for 3-bean chili is one of my go-tos and it's one of my favorites. For this recipe, we're going to be using salt and pepper, all-purpose seasoning, cumin and paprika, Worcestershire sauce, some pinto beans, a can of black beans and a can of chickpeas, some ground turkey, some chicken broth, an onion, a jalapeno, garlic, some olive oil to fry things up in, a can of tomato sauce, and for the garnish we're going to be using some daisy sour cream and a can of chipotle. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. And don't forget